In this video, you'll learn how to use Inventory AI prompts in SAP LeanIX. Inventory AI prompt is an AI-powered feature that enables you to leverage your existing data and AI for specific actions in your inventory, such as adjusting data on your fact sheets or proposing tasks in order to improve your data quality. To begin, open the Inventory section. In the Inventory, select Inventory Tools drop-down menu. Select Start AI Prompt to open the Inventory AI prompt page. This brings up the dedicated prompt workspace where you can interact with your data using predefined or custom prompts. Enter your prompt in the prompt field or select predefined prompts from the drop-down menu. Predefined prompts also automatically apply filters as required. You can even specify a language in your requests to receive responses in different languages. To generate AI output, click the Run Request button next to the fact sheet you want to analyze. You can also select multiple fact sheets at once. Note that the selection of all fact sheets in scope for bulk action is intentionally restricted to prevent unnecessary load and resource usage. When a response appears, review it carefully. Since SAP LeanIX follows a human-in-the-loop approach, you must confirm each response by clicking the Save checkmark. To improve the output, refine the predefined prompt or write a more detailed one. Customizing your instructions often leads to more accurate results. With Inventory AI prompts, you can generate descriptions and get better context, request suggestions to improve inventory data quality of specific attributes, request recommendations to optimize enterprise architecture around technologies, vendors, successors, obtain quick insights and details about specific fact sheets and attributes,